The kidney is an organ that is part of the excretory system that eliminates or removes waste from the body by filtering and cleaning the blood to produce urine. The main parts of the kidney are the cortex, the medulla, the renal artery, the renal vein, and the ureter. The cortex is the outer layer of the kidney, and it consists of several nephrons, and nephrons are individual filtering units of the kidney. These circles being drawn are the medulla, and the medulla is an inner layer of the kidney, which also consists of several nephrons. The ureter is a tube that carries urine from the kidney to the bladder. The renal pelvis is the upper part of the ureter. Each kidney is made up of about 1.25 million filtering units called nephrons. Each nephron consists of a capillary bed called the glomerulus, a capsule surrounding the glomerulus called Bowman's capsule, and a small tube that is divided into 3 sections, one being the loop of Henle. Each nephron contains a very small branch of the renal artery known as the afferent arteriole, which brings unfiltered blood to the nephron. Inside Bowman's capsule, the arteriole branches into the glomerulus. The capillary walls within the capillaries have very small slits that open when blood pressure is increased. The blood pressure increase is provided by the efferent arteriole, which drains blood from the glomerulus. The term ultrafiltration is used to describe the process in which substances are filtered through the glomerulus. The ultrafiltered fluid then passes through the basement membrane, which helps prevent large molecules like protein from becoming a part of the filtrate. The filtrate next enters the proximal convoluted tubule, while blood cells, protein, and other substances that did not become part of the filtrate exit through the efferent arteriole. Many of the substances within the filtrate are ones the body cannot afford to lose, such as salt, water, and glucose. As a result, these substances are then reabsorbed into the bloodstream through the tubule. Salts and glucose more readily absorbed in this section, leading to the loop of Henle, while water is readily absorbed at the loop of Henle due to its permeability. The remaining filtrate is then carried to the collecting duct, gathered in the renal pelvis, and then to the urinary bladder. This demonstration shows the journey of protein as it travels through the nephron. As it enters the renal artery, it goes through the bloodstream, but it can't be absorbed by the filtrates because it's too big. So it goes to the glomerulus and continues out through the bloodstream until it reaches the renal vein, which takes the protein out of the nephron. Thanks for watching our video on kidneys, nephrons, and protein's journey through the nephron.